Hello coders, welcome to 3 Coders. Today we are going to start a new project on poll management system where admins can create as much as poll they need to take user surveys and also to take user votes. After finishing any poll, they can see the result of that poll automatically. So this video is going to be very much interesting if you are a newbie or if you know average coding. So watch till the end. If you like the idea, be sure to like the video also. If you have any idea suggestion, you can comment on the comment section below and also share with your friends so that they can also learn something new. We are 3 coders, Jisan and Arnab from Bangladesh, our lovely friend Kavisha from Sri Lanka. We all are pursuing Bachelor of Technology in Computer Science and Engineering from Bangalore, India. So let's get started without any further delay. So basically, in this video, we are going to discuss how we will be able to finish this project completely. In the next video, we'll code real time. In this video, you will learn the basic of planning a website or a system management. At first, we think about our panels, or you can say this like users. So the main users or authors of this website will be admins, right? So mainly we will have a admin panel where all the admin related tasks will be done. Then we will have another panel which is polling panel. After creating a poll, public users can come to polling panel and vote on those panels. Okay, so after admin panel, we have another panel called polling panel, and our last panel should be a resulting panel. So we can call this as result because once the polling is finished, the poll will be moved to result panel and user can see those polls result in that panel. Let's discussing our admin panel from beginning, what our admins can do and what not.
So here admin can create the poll first.
Yeah. Eh, do they need any condition to create the poll?
No, I think the after creating the poll will be stored in some database.
Okay, so basically there is no need of any condition here.
No. No.
Okay, so we are as admin we can create the poll without any condition.
Oh, yes.
Okay, so after creating the poll,
Uh,
we can
the admin panel can view the progress. So for this, I think we need to start the poll first.
so once the poll is started,
Mm.
admin can view the progress of that poll. So it depends on a condition.
Yeah.
So at first, let's store our created poll in a database. So we can use PHP to connect to our database, or we can use any other backend language such as Node.js or Python or Golang. But I think PHP will be the perfect solution for our project.
Yes. Yeah.
So what should we use as database server?
I think we can use SQL database because we use PHP.
You're right. With PHP, I think MySQL is the best solution.
Yes.
And I think in this project, we will not have any complex query. So we can depend on relational database.
Yes.
So we can use SQL like MySQL database here, right?
So, yeah.
So let's confirm it. MySQL.
Yes.
Okay. Now, without creating, they can also view the progress of that poll once it started. So here it will be a condition like if poll has been started. This is for an specific poll. There might be 10, 20, 100, thousands of polls. So they can see the progress of those polls which are already started. So if poll has been started, can view the progress in any manner like number and percentage both.
Percentage, yeah.
Okay. And Is there anything else if the poll has been started?
If they want to stop the poll in any situation,
Okay.
then after starting,
Ah,
if they want to stop, I think
yeah, they can also stop or
pause the
pause
poll.
or resume the poll, right?
Yeah. After pausing, they can resume the poll.
Yeah. If they stop the poll, it will be finished.
Finished. If
And
they
if
pause,
they pause,
they can resume
they
the
can
poll.
resume again. Okay. Is there anything left if poll has been started from admin?
No, I think it's finished. No, I think it's completed. Okay.
Okay, then let's go if the poll has not been started yet.
Okay.
So let's give a condition.
If the poll has not started yet, they can edit the poll.
Yeah. If the poll is not already started, they can edit, admin can edit the poll.
Yeah. But one
So,
thing, they can also delete the poll if they want. So I think we
yeah,
need to give an option. Yeah, if the poll is still not started, they can delete the poll also.
right. So they can't delete the polls once
The
it
poll.
started
Yeah, if it's
because
started.
it can hamper the fairness of the poll.
Yeah.
And they can also change the context if they have capability to edit the polls
Yes.
during the polling process.
Mm.
So we should avoid this.
Mm.
Okay, so if the poll has not been started yet, they can edit or delete the
poll.
poll.
Yeah.
Okay. So anything left in admin panel?
No, I think all the possibilities. Yeah, it's completed, I think.
It's completed.
Yeah.
Okay, so we can move on our polling panel.
Yeah.
At first, let's say we can go from polling panel to admin panel if logged in as admin. So this is the must-have capability for a user to log in as admin to
Yeah.
go to admin panel.
If one user logged in as admin, he can't vote further.
Right. So only the public user can vote for a
Yeah.
poll.
Admin panel can't vote.
So
in
once a user
poll.
is logged in, he will be automatically redirected to admin panel.
Yeah.
So he can't vote on the polls, right?
Okay. Yeah.
Okay. So is there any confusion? In polling panel, the main focus is to view the polls, active polls, or the polls which already started.
Yeah.
So there is no condition to view the polls, active polls. So without any condition, we can write,
User can view all the active polls.
yeah, view all the active polls. Okay. Uh, User can also vote on those polls if he already not voted.
Yeah.
Okay. So let's take a condition.
If he has not voted yet,
Okay.
he can vote.
Not voted yet.
Voted.
He can
Vote.
vote. But I think to remove the mistake completely, we should give him a prompt or confirmation dialog to be sure that he is actually voting on this option so that we can go through this process. We can add a confirmation dialog. So you can call this as confirmation. After confirming, he can vote. Is there anything else in polling panel?
After submitting the poll, if he change his mind, so we can give one more chance to edit his poll.
Okay, we should give them chance once.
Yeah, only once he
Only
can.
once, right?
Yeah, edit the vote.
Okay. So yeah, I think after voting he can change his mind also. But if we give him chance more than once, it will be like spamming.
Spam.
He can have chance to spam.
Yeah.
But if he has only one chance to change the vote for an poll, then there is no chance of spamming. So yeah, after voting, he can change if mind changed. if mine changed once, not more than once,
So only one time.
yeah, then he can change his vote. Can change vote. Okay, is there anything left in?
So after submitting the vote and after the ending of the voting process, they need to see the result.
Hmm.
So I think we need to add the polling panel with the result panel.
Okay, let's. There is no condition. Anyone can go to result page from polling page. So in result page, basically without any condition, we can see all the finished polls with their result.
Both
In
the admin panel and polling panel can see the final result.
Final result, yeah. Admin panel can also see the result during the poll.
Yeah.
But on but the users can see the result once the poll is
Has been
finished.
finished.
Because they may change their mind by seeing the
progress.
result, the progress. They can vote on majority, but which is not fair.
Right.
That's why we should hide the progress from them while they are voting. Another thing is there, how can we select, how can we identify he is not voted yet?
I think we can check their IP or MAC address, this type of thing.
Yeah, can we check them with account? I mean to say they will have their account and they can vote from their account once per poll.
Yeah, if they vote one time, the account will be disabled. They can't vote further.
Yeah, not on that poll.
Yeah.
Not account disabled. Actually, one account can vote on one poll once.
Yeah.
Once, or if he change his mind, then he can vote again.
Yeah.
Only one time.
Yeah. After that, he can't vote the poll will be disabled.
What if he creates multiple account to vote multiple times in a poll?
Yeah. So we can verify that with the IP address and MAC address.
Yeah. So why we need account actually if we can identify a user by his MAC address and IP address? If possible to take the MAC address, then do we need any account?
If we verify through MAC address and IP address, we no need to use any account here.
Yeah, we could use account if we can get government NID, National ID Database API.
Yes.
So we can verify that each user has only one account. But in our case, we can't get this.
Yes.
So we should depend on MAC address and IP address verification. User can bypass this also, but possibility will be less.
Yes.
Okay, so we are using IP address and MAC address to verify if he is not voted yet. Is it fine?
Yeah, it's fine. Now, one thing after publishing the result, okay, the result should be stored.
Yeah.
So I think we need to store it in our database.
Yeah, we have to, once he vote here, it will be stored in MySQL database also. Okay. Also from our MySQL database, we can show the active polls and also we can show the finished
the
polls.
result also.
Yeah. So everything is from our MySQL database. We don't need any other database or any memory management system to store data. I think there is everything we can control through API to give real-time data in poll pages.
Yes.
I think there is nothing left.
One thing I need
What?
to ask that if the users
Hmm.
can be can use multiple devices,
Hmm.
okay, then they can vote multiple times if in a same room or same thing. If they use this,
Yeah.
how to prevent this?
Basically, we are not verifying him by any government issued national ID.
Hmm.
So it's not possible to determine if a user is using multiple device or not.
Hmm.
For us, every device is a user.
Hmm.
So from one device, it cannot be voted multiple times. So if anyone has 4 devices, he can vote 4 times. And we can prevent this once we get the national ID verification system. So in this system, there will be some loopholes, which is not fixable, but the quantity of that will be less because we are verifying through both IP address and MAC address. So if he use VPN to change his IP address, his MAC address will be same.
So he'll be
So he
blocked.
can't.
He can't.
There is no need to block because once he has been voted, uh, there will be an option to change the vote. Once he changes the vote, there will no option for him to vote on that poll again. So he can't press any button. Every button will be disabled for that vote.
So one thing, after starting the poll, the user needs to know about the when the result will be published.
Yeah,
So
we can in front end design we can add a countdown and a slider in every poll. Let's imagine a card is a poll. At bottom of that card, there will be a countdown of time and a slider of warning that this much time left for this poll to make it more user friendly.
Yeah.
Anything else we can think?
Think everything is completed, I think.
Arnab,
I think we have touched everything.
here is our chart. I think you guys understood everything of this chart. And if you don't understand anything, comment down below. I will fix your issue in next video. And in next video, we are doing this project real time in front of you. So you will be the part of the next video. And we will decide our next video based on your thoughts. We can do the front end with HTML, CSS, plain JavaScript, and also we can do this front end by React. In backend, we will use PHP and MySQL database, but in front end, we will use the technology which you demands more. Based on your demand, I think React will be preferable, but inform your prefer in the comment box below. If you learned something new, be sure to like the video, subscribe the channel, and wait for our next video, which is coming very soon. Thank you so much. We are signing off for today.